Here's another example of a linear equation, except this time we've got fractions. Now, how you solve this, there are a bunch of ways to do this. You can multiply through by the common denominator, you can set it up so you have proportions, and you can cross multiply. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm going to do the method where I can get a single fraction on each side. So what that means that I need to do is, I've already got a fraction on the left, so I'm going to rewrite that. And now on the right hand side, I want to find a common denominator. So with 14 and 7, my common denominator is 14. I didn't have to do anything to the first term, so it stays the same. The second term, I had to multiply by 2. So now what I want to do is I'm going to rewrite it with everything looking pretty. So I'm going to have 5 minus 2x minus 10 over 14. But I notice I can simplify the right-hand side. So I'm going to get minus 2x minus 5 over 14. Now here's what I'm talking about if you can do it cross multiply and set equal. So you're going to take this term here, you're going to multiply those two. So when we do that, we get 4 times negative 2x minus 5. And then I'm going to set that equal to multiplying the other two together. So when I multiply those, I'm going to get 14 times x minus 3. So now it looks a little more simplistic because it's all in a straight line. So first I'm going to distribute. So I get minus 8x minus 20 equals 14x minus, that's going to be 2, carry your 1, that's going to be 42. So I've got to get my x's on one side and I need to get my numbers on the other side. Which side you choose to do is entirely up to you. For me, I'm going to add the 8x to both sides. So I've got plus 8x and plus 8x. And then I'm going to continue up here in the second column. So that's going to give me minus 20 equals, and I've got 14 plus 8, which is 22x, minus 42. So now all my x's are concentrated on the right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that 42, so the opposite of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 42 to both sides. I get the 22x over here. And on the left then I'm going to get 22. I need to get x all by itself, so the opposite of multiplication is division, and I get 1 equals x. So now is that right? So what you're going to do is you're going to check that. So what we want to do is we're going to put it back in the original equation. So we get 1 minus 3 over 4 equals 5 over 14 minus 1 plus 5 over 7. So this is going to be minus 2 over 4. I'm going to get 5 over 14. And then I'm going to get 6 over 7. So this is going to be negative 1/2. And then over here I've got my common denominator that I have to find, which we know is 14 from before. So I get minus 1/2 equals, well this is 12 minus 5, which is 7 over 14. Now you remember it's a negative because the 12 is larger. So I do get negative 1/2 equals negative 1/2. So I know that the answer is 1.